More people nationwide are working from home.
Technology enables this military wife to work wherever there's an internet connection.
Telecommuting, 4-day work week.
So what the hell do I do now? I used to cold call the office. I used to send gifts to headquarters. Is everything just dead? Is cold calling dead? Is cold email dead? Is giftology, the entire idea of gifting, as dead as the author John Rowland? But we're not going to give up. That's why I built a system that finds the personal email, mobile number, and home address of basically any enterprise buyer so you can reach them where they actually are. You really thought I was going to give up, throw in the towel? Not a freaking chance. But there are people that do quit and they write off these things. They think cold email doesn't work, not realizing that people still use email every day. Cold calling doesn't work because the office phone is hidden away. No, everyone has a cell phone in their pocket. The office concept is gone. And so if you're still marketing like there's an office that you can go to and everyone's going to celebrate your amazing gift basket that you bought, time to move on from how we wish things were to how they actually are. And the way it is now is instead of calling Taniqua, the 47-year-old receptionist, you're going to call Tommy, the 4-year-old receptionist at their house. So let's check this out. First, we need a list of leads. And so I like using this Apollo scraper because instead of paying for Apollo, which why would you pay for Apollo when you have this kind of stuff? All you got to do is put in your number of leads that you want and put in your Apollo search. This time I kept it simple. C-suite in the United States, where any of their company keywords contain the word B2B. And so this gives you a list of 983,000 leads. All you got to do is copy this, go over to that Apollo scraper if you're on Appify, and then paste it in here, hit save and start, and it'll start scraping your leads for only $1.20 per 1,000 leads. Once that's done, you just export the 2,000 results, hit download, and drag that right into your Google Sheet. Now we've got a list of 2,000 leads for like $2, which is cool, but we need to enrich it. I want their home address. I want their cell phone number. So let's do that. And here you can see it's very simple. We start by pulling from the Google Sheet itself. From there, we loop over every single item one by one. Then we do a skip trace, which is another Appify API. Actually, I think this whole thing is Appify, which is sick. Not that I'm sponsored by Appify, but I am loving it. This week, I've been all about Appify. I don't know what's going on. Skip trace is the secret weapon here. It finds people's addresses based on their phone numbers or based on their name and city. Right now, we don't have phone numbers, so we'll use name and city, and that's how we build this whole database. So it does a skip trace and it comes up with a bunch of leads as to who this person could be. I don't know who it's going to be from here, so instead of guessing, first we get all the data and then feed that to ChatGPT, who finds the correct person. It's not always right, but it's right most of the time. Then we just take that ChatGPT output and put it into a little table here using this code. All this code, by the way, is just written by ChatGPT. I still have no idea. I couldn't write this. Const default output. What? No, this is all GPT writing this. Then when the data is gathered, it's sent back to the Google Sheet and you can see all of the names, secret personal emails, and home addresses of as many people as it could find. From here, you have a phone number, so you can text it cold. You can also give it a call and see if it picks up. You can also use something like bland.ai to do AI cold calling, if that's what you're into. You could also use the address to send handwritten letters like I do, using AI and a robot. And if you really want to impress them, send them a little gift. You're telling me if somebody sent you a mint Jar Jar from 1999 in a Rolex box, that wouldn't be enough to impress you and get the deal? I mean, it'd be enough to impress me. Look at this. There's a watch in here. And if all this feels too advanced, well, good. It means you're seeing something real. But while I'm out here blasting like a machine gun, in AB Mastermind, we have coaches that slow it all down for you. I actually just did a whole live masterclass on this where I built a bunch of these flows live and everyone was putting in their feedback and their input as to what they wanted to see. And that was like a 45-minute masterclass, which might be the best way to learn this kind of stuff. If you're confused, if you don't know what's going on, but you think this is the greatest opportunity of our generation, well, then you gotta jump in the mastermind. Bring your offer, bring your leads, bring your script, and we will fix it together. We meet 6 times a week. If you're ready to go to alexberman.com/mastermind and apply right now. I look forward to seeing you inside. In a second, I'll recommend another video that I know you're gonna love. Smash that like button, and more importantly, comment down below and let me know what you thought. The comments really help direct where these videos are gonna go, so they're very necessary. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.